Stay back, unveiled, mastering English phrases. Hello dear learners. Today, we are going to dive deep into the phrase, stay back. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, its different contexts, and how to use it seamlessly in your conversations. Let's get started. Stay back is a phrase that primarily means to remain at a distance from something or someone. It is often used as a warning or instruction. Example, a security guard might say, "Stay back. It's not safe to approach." 1. Safety warning. As mentioned, it can be used as a warning to keep someone from approaching a potentially dangerous situation. Example, there's a wild animal ahead. Stay back. 2. Physical distance. It can also be used to describe someone who remains physically behind or at a distance from others. Example, when we visit the museum, please stay back from the paintings. 3. School or classes. Stay back can mean to remain in school after regular hours, often for extra classes, remedial work, or other activities. Example, I need to stay back after school today to finish my project. 4. At work. Similarly, in a work context, it could mean working beyond regular hours. Example, I might have to stay back at the office tonight to complete the report. Understanding synonyms can help learners grasp the essence of the phrase and its flexibility in usage. Here are some synonyms. 1. Keep your distance. This is similar in meaning and often used as a safety warning. 2. Remain behind. Emphasizes the act of staying, rather than moving forward. 3. Hang back. More informal and can mean hesitating or being reluctant to move forward. 4. Linger. This means to stay in a place longer than necessary, sometimes out of hesitation or uncertainty. And there you have it. The phrase, stay back, can be used in various contexts, from safety warnings to explaining extended durations at school or work. Remember, as with all English phrases, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing, and soon, phrases like, stay back, will be a natural part of your vocabulary. Until next time, happy learning!